Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to say it's an incredible honor for me to be a part of J Hamstead. When I was approached, I wondered as well. It's a men's suiting brand. What is a woman brand ambassador going to do? But who else knows what she would like to see her man dress as the woman herself, right? I know exactly what I would expect the man who meets all expectations to be like, and that's exactly what we're striving to achieve. Nothing but the best for me, and that's what we're trying to show with J Hamstead. I only will strive for the best, and that's what we provide. And I'm extremely excited to have this association go forward. It's something very new, and I hope that what I really feel would come across in the campaign that we have created. It's taken a lot of effort from a lot of people. We've traveled really far to shoot it. We shot it in Paris, which is the fashion icon of the world. And we shot it there especially because it's beautiful, it's romantic, and it's just got everything that we were striving to achieve. And from what you will see eventually, the campaign that we have shot is very, very beautiful and extremely elegant and very classy, exactly like the brand itself. So I hope that you like it, and I hope all the effort that we have put in is fruitful. And I'm really excited about this, and I hope everyone else here is too. Thank you very much for being here.